Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. It's a sad day. I've got to let my baby go. We're selling the mean green because we don't use it anymore. I've got James here from Chattanooga. Lawn Pros, I believe is the name of the company, but he's going to be taking it and says he's going to take it apart and paint it and fix it up, which is good. I'm glad it's going to a good home. I'm glad somebody's going to get some use out of it. It's been a good machine for us. Very solid. All right, guys, we got her loaded up. She's taking off. It's been a good machine. We've had it, 7 years. Wish James here with Lawn Pros, right? And E-Green Lawn Pros in Chattanooga. He's going to be taking it to its new home, and good luck. I can't wait to. You said you're going to fix it up and powder coat it. And
I'm going to fix it up and make it look like new, and it's never going to be touched by anything but solar power.
Hey,
solar power from here on.
That's awesome. Well, that's good. Well, James, I really appreciate it. Good luck.